Here's the thing. You're in love with a version of a person that you've created in your head that you are trying to but cannot fix. The only person you can fix is yourself. I love you. This has gone on way too long. Enough is enough. I'm 2 blocks away. I'm coming over.
I thought I knew you well. I got a habit of seeing what isn't there. Caught in the moment, tangled up in your sheets. But you broke my heart. I said you only wanted half of me. My imagination too creative. They see demon, I see angel. Angel, angel. Without a halo, wingless angel. Falling, falling, but I never thought you'd leave me. You were the one, but it was all in my head. It was all in my head. Yeah, look at you, boy, I invented you. Gucci tennis shoes, running from your issues. Cardio good for the heart. I figured I thought I drew you well. I had a vision, seeing what isn't there. Caught in the moment, tangled up in your sheets. When you broke my heart, said you only wanna have